This season starts off as a unifying one, in that all the tradition of the past meets all the optimism of the future. The future continues to look bright for the Royals organization, but it is at this point, here and now, they embark on a different kind of journey. One loaded with talent and confidence, anticipation and hopefulness. One where the future and the past have collided to bring us to the present. In this city, in this stadium, in this moment. This is our time. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2012 Royal Thunder. Your 2012 Royal Thunder.
Let's see you.
The spirit from the past has continued to remain the spotlight even as we look forward for the opportunity of a bright future. The groundwork for success has been laid, and today our alumni are eager to pass the tradition along. Please direct your attention to the field as we now recognize members of our alumni who are with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, your Royals alumni.
Everyone knows our past, the pride, the division titles, the World Series championship. We enjoyed our time. We thrived in our time. But now,
And the Royals have done it again.
The last month of the season just showed what we can do.
you don't want the offseason to come when you're playing like that.
Swinging and a miss, he got him.
The offseason preparing to work, and we're pumped to get back out there and take care of business.
Ground ball, backhanded by Escobar. Long throw, he got him.
Everybody's a lot more confident than they were. They knows what it's like to be in the big leagues, and we know what it's like to play the game.
High drive, deep left, and she is gone. Billy Roberts.
We're developing into a really talented team that they've got some experience last year, and as much talented group I've ever played with.
Peralta's going to challenge Frank Coeur, who comes up firing and right on the money.
We need to win now, not just get to 500, not just, win a series here and there. We expect to win each day rather than just trying to compete.
Alex Gordon on the run, dives, and he caught it.
That we can compete for a Central Division title.
It's been a long time since the Royals been in the spotlight, so we're ready to bring it back to the glory days.
Everyone's starting to realize that this is really our time. Why not? That's what we played for. We played in the championship. It's time for this town to have something to really come out and watch and be excited about.